Welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, and I'm just going to give you my thoughts on this kit. This is the Springtime Gnomes door hangers kit. It comes with two. I thought I would I would find stuff on this one that was worth mentioning for, tutorials stuff. But turns out this is actually easier than this one. Not by much, though. Putting together the mushroom house was actually rather simple. The stitching on the door was probably the most complicated, besides the satin stitch right here. And I know the satin stitch takes a while to do, so nothing that I haven't covered already in my previous tutorials. I just wanted to make these just to make them because it takes a long time to make tutorials, and I felt like this one in particular didn't really need much, so I didn't make much. But I would like to recommend this kit for any beginner. If you're thinking about starting Bucilla or any type of hand embroidery, this is a great kit to start with. It is super simple and there's not a lot to it. The only thing I would say is, if you've never done a kit before, obviously, follow all the step-by-step directions, because there's a reason why there are directions in the kits. I do want to mention that these bows, there's not a lot of instruction on the bows. So I just referenced the picture, and the picture showed two beads and sequins on each bow, so that's what I did. The instructions are pretty vague. They usually are pretty vague for the bows. I'm not sure why, but that's really the only thing I have to say that was that needed more clarity. If I were to rate this kit on a scale of 1 to 10, for 1 being easy and 10 being difficult, I would give this probably a 2 or a 3 on that scale. So this is a super friendly, easy kit for any beginner that's learning how to hand embroider. A couple of things I wish that they added to this one in particular. So notice how the mushroom is kind of dull. And I kind of wish that they added a little bit more embellishment to the mushroom itself. There is a little bit on the door and the doorknob, but that's it. Even the mushroom top is pretty plain. If I were to go back, I would have added probably some, maybe some embellishment on the dots, or maybe do the entire outline of the top with a brown or gold, not gold, but a brown sequin with bead would be really pretty. But yeah, that's my only criticism really, is just the mushroom itself is kind of plain looking compared to this one where it's very embellished. Even his beard is embellished. There is an option to add blush to the noses, and I have not added blush to the noses. That's just personal preference. That's not required. It's totally up to you. So if you want to add blush to the nose, just grab a Q-tip and a powder blush and just rub the noses until you get the desired effect. It's actually really simple. So highly recommend for any beginner. And let me know down in the comments below if you've made this kit and what you think about it. I absolutely thought this was just a super easy kit to put together. It didn't take me very long. So I'm excited to hang these up on my door. If you have a covered porch that is away from most of the weather, you can put these outside on the door, on the outside, so when people come up to your door, you can actually see them. Otherwise, I would keep them on the inside of your house. Just put them on any of the doors that you want to have cute little things hanging from them. Let me know if you've enjoyed this kit, and I don't know what I'll be doing for my next kit, but I'm working on other things for my shop. I'm actually slowly moving stuff around and trying new things. And if you would like an Etsy shop update on what I'm currently working on, please let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.